Ahoy, successful people! Welcome back to the Iron Fire Success Channel. I'm DK.
And I'm Mo. We took a cruise aboard the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady.
And we're going to give you a room tour of our Central Sea Terrace room.
Let's get set.
We took a cruise aboard the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady in February of 2026. We had a room on deck 14, midship, very convenient to the elevators, and it was called a Central Sea Terrace. Here is a little bit of a preview of the ship deck plans, and you can see there they have the legend at the bottom, so you can tell what type of room you're looking at. So we were in the green here, Central Sea Terrace. So when we look up on deck 14, I'll show you exactly where our room was in proximity to the elevators. It was very convenient. We were one deck below the galley, so we can always run up and get some food, and that's also the pool deck.
We stayed in room 14138A, and we'll point it out here.
Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed our room tour of our Central Sea Terrace room on the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady.
Please subscribe for more content about new home construction and model home tours in and around San Antonio.
And subscribe as we continue to turn our new construction house into a home and give you cruise and travel tips too.
As always, until next time, be peaceful, stay prayerful, and count your blessings.